ito kunyari. Sige, go. I-ready mo. Ang gagawin natin, Mela, kunyari, ako muna magsasabi, sasabihin ko, just give me my money, tapos papalakpak tayo, ganun. Yay! Okay. Tapos, sunod si Jody. Sasabihin mo.
Yay!
Just give me my money. Dali, sabihin mo.
Just give me my money.
Yay! Ikaw, Clyde.
Just give me my money. Yay!
Ikaw. Oo, ganon. Tara.
Kala mo, ko.
O, game. Wait lang ha. Papalakpak kape. Game. Just give me my money. Yay! Jody.
Just give me my money.
Yay!
Like. Just give me the money. Yay!
Mela.
Tara, guys.
Ikaw, di ba't may
Give
sound?
me my money.
Ulit walang sound. Gagi, ba't kasi may add sound dyan? O, game. Go. Just give me my money.
Yay!
Si Jody.
Just give me my money.
Yay!